Hi scale guys, today we have Gallagher. Indicator model is W810. This is farm bars like this. To calibrate this indicator you should go to the setup mode. When you see S, then by pressing F1 button you go to the user option, press select button, and then you press wait, delete, 0, 0, delete, and the 5. And now we have engineering options. So we need change span, we select it, and when we select it we press 0 button. Oh no, sorry, we go to respan. Now we press F5 button. And now we have nothing on the platter. We press 0 button. And waiting, it shows waiting for stable 0. Now it shows counts and 0. Now we should apply weight. We should put I will put 100 kgs. And then I go back here and press green button. And now I have weight, span counts and the weight. And by pressing numeric keypad you change it to that weight which you put there. But the thing is, so you should put up to 200 kgs and then you should press F5 button. And now calibration is saved. You go back, turn it off, remove the weights, and turn on the scales. And that's all, calibration done. Thanks for watching.